See, now we are having, again, just I am repeating for the continuity purpose. I am having 0 to 90. I am going to divide 0 to 90 into 4 equal parts. What is the meaning of 4 equal parts? 0, 1/4, half, 3/4 and 1. If I find the square root values, if I find the square root values of this will be the value of sine theta. This will be the value of sine theta. What is the square root of 0? I am going to find the root value for 0. So the root value of 0 is 0, isn't it? I am going to find the square root of 1/4. I am going to find the square root of 1/4. I am going to find the square root of 1/4. So what will be the square root of 1/4? 1/2, isn't it? 1/2. So no, square root, not square, my friend. Root of value. That's why I got the doubt. I put the symbol here. Okay, square root. So when I take the square root of 1/4, square root of 1 is 1, square root of 4 is 2. So this is 1/2. This is 1/2. In the same way, I am going to take the square root of 1/2. Square root of 1 is 1. I cannot find the value of root 2. So the value of will be 1/√2. 1/√2. Yes. Yes, yes, excellent, excellent, excellent. In the same way, I am going to check for 3/4. So for 3, we cannot find the root. For root of 4 is 2. So this will become √3/2. I am going to find the root of 1. This is same, no change, because root 1 is 1. So when I take the square root of 0 is 0, square root of 1/4 is 1/2, 1/2, 1/√2, root 3/4 is √3/4, and 1 is 1. This is the trigonometric value for sine theta. This is the trigonometric values for sine theta. From this, we can find all the other angles. We can find all the other angles. How to find this? I am going to find what is cos theta. This is just the reciprocal of sine theta. Just whatever we are taking, I am going to take it on the opposite side. I am going to take it on the opposite side. The value of 90 will become 0. The value of 90 will become 0. The value of 0 will become 90. Just I am going to take in the descending order. I am going to take it in the descending order. That means cos 0 will become 1. The cos 0 will become 1. Here 60 and 30 are the complementary angles. 30 and 60 are the complementary angles. So this cos 30 will be opposite of sine theta. This is √3/2. Cos 45 will be 1/√2, same, because 45 plus 45 is 90 degree. Then cos 60 is the reciprocal of 30. So this will become 1/2. Just what I am going to do now, just once if I find the value of sine theta, I can find all the other trigonometric values. For cos theta, I am going to take it in the opposite side. 1, √3/2, 1/2, 1/√2, 1/2, 0. When I want to find tan theta is nothing but sine theta by cos theta. This is, we said, sine by cos. We said tan theta is nothing but sine theta by cos theta, isn't it? Excellent. So 0/1, sine theta is 0, cos theta is 1. So 0/1 is 0. 0/1 is 0, isn't it? What will be 1/2 √3/2? So 2 cancel. So the value of tan 30 will be 1/√3. The value of tan 30 will be 1/√3. Value of cos 45. This will be 1/√2, 1/√2 cancel. So this will become 1. This is root 3 by 2, 1 by 2. So 2 cancel, we will get root 3. Here 1 by 0, you know that very well, when we divide any number by 0, that is not defined. When we define a number by 0, this is not defined. So this is an undefined value. Undefined value. Understand the idea, dear? How to find this table? Because once if you find sine, cos, tan, all the other values you can find automatically. You can find automatically. If you remember the 3 values, just you can move with other values. But the thing is that first we need to know how to find the value of 180, 270 and 360. See, when I check 180, please listen to me carefully. 180 is opposite of 0. 180 is opposite of 0. So here we are taking the quadrant. On 0 we will take plus. So 180 we will take minus. For 180 we will take minus. So whatever the values we are having for 0, we are going to take the same value, but we are going to take it with minus value. So 0 minus 0 is 0. 1 will become minus 1. 0 will become 0. This is just the opposite value of 0, because 180 is just opposite of 0. I am going to check 270. 270, where is 270? 270 is just opposite of 90, isn't it? So we are having the value for 90. If I take the opposite of 90, this will become 270. So 1 will become minus 1, 0 will be 0, not defined will be not defined. So 1 will become minus 1, 0 will become 0. This is not defined. When I take 360, 360 and 0 are the same values. 360 and 0 are the same values. So I am going to repeat the values of 0 as it is 0, 1 and 0. I am going to repeat the values of 0 as it is for 360. Using this, we can find all the other remaining 6 angles, because cosecant theta is nothing but 1 by sine theta. Cosecant theta is nothing but 1 by sine theta. So I am going to take just opposite of sine theta. Just opposite of sine theta. So 1 by 0 not defined. 1 by 2 I am going to take the opposite. This will become 2. 1 by root 2 I am going to take the reciprocal. This will become root 2. Root 3 by 2 I am going to take the reciprocal. This will become 2 by root 3. This is 1. 1 by 0 not defined. Minus 1 not defined. In the same idea, we are going to take the reciprocal of cos theta. This will become secant theta. When we take the reciprocal of cos theta, this will become secant theta. So cos 0, 1. So secant 0 will be 1. Root 3 by 2, this will become 2 by root 3. 1 by root 2 will become root 2. 1 by 2 will become 2. 1 by 0 is not defined. This is minus 1, not defined, and 1. The same idea, we can define cot theta, the reciprocal of tan theta, which is the reciprocal of tan theta. Cot theta is the reciprocal of tan theta. So tan theta, this is 0 will become not defined. 1 by root 3 will become root 3. 1 by 1 is 1. Root 3 will become 1 by root 3. 1 by not defined. 1 by not defined. Any number divided by not defined will become 0. When we divide, this will become 0. Understand the idea, dear? Just please, dear, in examination point of view, you have to remember the table, dear. For examination point of view, you have to remember the table. Once if you remember the table, using the table, we are going to find the values. We are going to find the values. Here, what we have done, we have defined the values in degrees. This 0, 30, 45, 90, 180, 270, 360. This is called degrees. They are called degrees. We can find the corresponding radians. We can find the corresponding radians, because in general 180 degree is defined as pi radians. 180 degree is defined as pi radians. Using this idea, we are going to find all the other values. We are going to define all the other values according to rule. 180 degree is defined as pi radians. Now, can you say what is 360? 360 is 2 double, isn't it? So this will become 2 pi. What will be 360? This is 2 times of pi, so this is 2 pi. What is 90? 90 is half of 5, isn't it? So this will become pi by 2. So this will become pi by 2. In the same idea, using this pi, we can find all the other values. We can find all the other values in radian. 0 will be 0. 30 is pi by 6 because pi is 180. 180 divided by 6 is 30. 45 is pi by 4. 180 divided by 4 is 45. 60 is pi by 3. 180 divided by 3 is 60. And pi by 2, pi. And 270 is nothing but 3 pi by 2. And 360 is 2 pi. Using this idea, we are going to discuss some problems in the next class, dear. We are going to discuss some problem in the next class. Please, you have to come with the understanding of the table, and then we will proceed with the class, dear. Okay. Go through the videos. Already I have uploaded some videos for all the chapters. Please go through the videos, and on completion of the class, again I am uploading these videos also. Okay, please again go through and check. I am uploading all the class videos, all the slides. Please check them properly and then review the studies, dear. Thank you all.